attach the resistance band to something in the house. Go ahead, grab the resistance bands. You want to back up, feet straight, hip, knee, ankle lined up, stick out your butt and bend forward, keeping the chest up. Wrists are going to be nice and straight, palms facing one another, elbows inward. You're going to pull the resistance band in and squeeze your upper back. Okay, keeping that chest up and looking straight. Go ahead, breathe in on the way out, blow out on the way in, and squeeze that back. Make sure you're not arching your back. Keep your chest up and stick your butt out. See, his back is nice and straight. He's looking strong. Now, the way you know how far to go out, you want to go right before your elbows lock. Right there, he has a slight bend. Now bring it in and go all the way back and squeeze that upper back. When you pull, make sure you're pulling to where your hands are in the middle of your abdomen here. Okay, you don't want your hands too low or too high. Right in the center.